couldn't make contact with the court.
Well, Mr. Foley, we'll figure it out. Just give me a second to set up the Zoom and figure out where we're at, okay?
Yes, sir.
Miss Cameron, Miss Jordan, how you guys doing today?
Good.
It's good to see you both.
Couldn't make contact with the court.
All right.
They have me in 2 different courtrooms, Judge, so I'm gonna see how this works. I got 2 different devices going.
Oh, don't worry about it. We're gonna be on autopilot in here.
Oh, for sure.
You know, this started as a funny way not to have to drive to court. And at this point, I'm begging to go back in. It'd be so much easier.
Yeah, but there's advantages to this way too. You said your guy is Mr. Brown?
Yes.
Let's look him up here. SX tickets. He's got a careless driving ticket and a no insurance.
Yes.
Ms. Byers, could you send me those tickets, please?
Just this?
Yeah, just that one. It's coming right now, Judge.
Appreciate it. Mr. Foley, do you have a copy of the tickets?
Of the actual tickets, I do not. I have a copy of the 30th district notices that were sent out.
Okay. I'm going to see what we have now. See if there's something that's resolvable. As you noticed, I'm not in the courtroom either, so I can't. I'm waiting on tickets as you are.
Is that a physical background or a digital?
Digital. I'm in my office.
Well, I'll tell you what, it works better than the Third Circuit ones. In the background there, you can see the green screen all the time.
Oh, I don't know how I got that lucky.
Yeah, no, it shows up clean. I literally thought it was real.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Judge, did you get it yet?
Let's see. I didn't even have my email on. I'm sorry.
I'm like,
No, you said that this is all on me. TV try changing lanes. Ooh, I can't do nothing about this one. We're gonna have to get an offer from the prosecutor, Wayne County. All right, so Mr. Foley, your client's charged with the careless driving, which is a civil infraction, and a no insurance, which is the misdemeanor. I'm gonna bring him here for an arraignment today, and I'd like to set this matter for a pretrial date. In the interim, we have to talk with the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office to see if they're willing to negotiate an offer for you. You can always take care of the civil infraction, but I'm sure it's involving points, and you probably want to see what else they can do before we kind of go forward on it. The Wayne County Prosecutor is not here currently. There's one prosecutor for our 13 traffic courtrooms. But if I adjourn it for the pretrial, we can at least get an offer for you and a phone number and a contact if that works.
That's what I was hoping to do, Your Honor. And the reason I really stepped in is
We have one.
my client wants to take responsibility, but if that means that I, as a lawyer, need to enter a not responsible and a not guilty plea just so that we can hopefully work with the prosecutor.
Oh yeah, I mean, we can do it today, but let's see if we can, do something better than I can do. So,
Thank you, Judge.
is there a day next week you'd like to come back in the morning or Zoom back in?
And Your Honor, not to be difficult, but at that point, Mr. Roderick just found employment. And I think he's been working there now for about 2 or 3 months, and they're not exactly easy. One, it's not easy to find jobs in the city. 2, this is a decent paying one, but it's a line job. They don't seem to be appreciative of him taking these off.
Well, if there's just negotiation, I can waive his presence. I don't mind him not
If we
being
can
here.
do that and it's just on my calendar, Your Honor, then I'm bringing up my calendar right now.
Yeah.
And it is, I am shockingly free next week. So the mornings on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are free for me.
Okay. Does he have insurance yet?
He doesn't even have a car anymore. I think he's totaled it and he has not.
Probably total. Yeah. Okay, let's bring him in and get you a date. You said Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Any day that you want?
In order to give me some time then to hopefully talk to the prosecutor, let's go with Wednesday.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you again, Judge.
Thank you. All right, let's bring in Mr. Brown. How you doing, Mr. Brown?
Good.
All right, let me call your case. This is State of Michigan versus Roderick Brown, case SX379-9687, counts 1 and 2. Mr. Brown, could you sit up for me, please?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it. Sir, with me today is your attorney, Mr. Foley. Mr. Foley, do you want to put your appearance on?
Yes, Your Honor. Patrick Foley, P number 74323, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Roderick Brown, who is present.
Okay. Mr. Brown, sir, you're charged with 1 count of driving without insurance. Sir, that is a misdemeanor offense with a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in the Wayne County Jail or a $500 fine. Sir, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Sir, you're also charged with a civil infraction, careless driving. Sir, that carries a fine of $210 if found responsible. Sir, I'm going to set these matters for a pretrial date next week, next Wednesday. Sir, me and your attorney have had some discussions. We're going to waive your presence for that hearing. So you're more than welcome to pop in on the Zoom if you want, but you're not required to be there. We're just setting that date for further negotiations, okay?
All right.
Sir, I want to let you know that you have a not guilty plea right now for the misdemeanor, and we will continue from there. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So I'm going to set a pretrial date for. I'm gonna find my calendar here. We'll
Yes,
say.
I'm sorry, Judge. Mr. Foley, may I have your P number again, please? I'm sorry.
No, yes, ma'am. 74323.
Thank you. Sorry, Judge.
No problem. How about January 20? Actually, Mr. Foley, I'd like to go 2 weeks out, maybe, just to give us a little bit more time.
Yes, sir. Wednesday, 2nd and 3rd mornings are absolutely free.
Okay, so we'll set this for Wednesday, February 3rd, 2021 at 8:30.
8:30 a.m.
And we either get an offer or have the prosecutor come down for you on that case, okay?
All right.
Roderick, just want to make sure you understand that you don't have to appear on that date. You can't go anywhere, but I'll be the one coming to court on your behalf. And you and I will talk between now and then about what goes on, okay?
All right.
All right.
So I don't have to pay nothing? I still got to pay?
Yeah, the money that you put in for me holding for you, we're going to keep holding until we find out what may need to be paid, okay?
All right.
All right.
All right. Is there anything further, Mr. Foley?
No, sir, Your Honor.
All right. Well, then we'll see you on the 3rd. And Mr. Brown, see you soon.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, blessed day, man.
You too, sir.
Judge, I just sent you all of the offers.
Cool. Hi, Miss Becerra, can you hear us?
Yes.
How you doing, man? My name is Judge Williams. Let me call your case. It's the state of Michigan versus Jacqueline Becerra, case SP 1120068 and SP 1120062. Ma'am, could you state your name for the record?
Jacqueline Becerra.
Okay, Miss Becerra, you're charged with one misdemeanor, and that's driving without a license ever acquired. Ma'am, that's a misdemeanor with a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in jail or a $500 fine. I've got no intention of fining you that much or putting you in jail for that case. And you also have one civil infraction for a prohibited left turn. Ma'am, I believe that is a infraction with a penalty of $130 if you found responsible. So, Ms. Becerra, right now I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Ma'am, there's been an offer made that if you wanted to take care of these today, they would amend the prohibitive turn charge to a charge of blocking traffic, which is a no-point offense, so it doesn't affect your insurance, and the fine will be $175. The license offense will be dismissed. Ma'am, you can take that offer today, or you can contest these tickets, take them to trial. If you'd like to talk to an attorney about this, I can put you in a private room with someone that we have available today.
I'll take it today.
You want to take the offer?
Yeah.
Do you want to talk to someone first, or do you want to just take the offer?
I'll just take the offer.
Okay, Ms. Becerra, could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, I'm going to enter a plea on your behalf to the amended charge of blocking traffic as to case SP 112-00621. I'm going to dismiss SP 112-00681 pursuant to this agreement. Ms. Becerra, I'm going to assess a fine of $175. Ma'am, how much time do you need to pay that fine?
Can I give like a week?
Sure, that's enough time?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give you till, we'll say February 10th, 2021. Ma'am, if you don't have it paid by then, please zoom back in, ask for some more time, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
All right, then have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Let's see. I got DeJuan Bayless, offers in proper place.
Okay.
Mr. Bayless, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
How you doing? My name is Judge Williams.
Hi, how are you? I'm fine.
Okay, let me call your cases. This is State of Michigan versus DeJuan Bayless. Cases 20719-796, counts 1 and 2. Mr. Bayless, sir, could you state your name for the record?
DeJuan Rashard Bayless.
Okay, Mr. Bayless, sir, you're charged with 1 count of driving with improper plates and 1 count of driving while your license is suspended. Sir, these are both misdemeanors with maximum penalties of up to 93 days in the Wayne County Jail. Strike that, up to 90 days in the Wayne County Jail or a $500 fine. Mr. Bayless, sir, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf as to both matters. Mr. Bayless, sir, do you have license yet or the correct plates?
Yes, I do.
Okay, sir. If I give you an email address, could you email me your documents? A picture of them.
For my license plate?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And your valid license.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Byers, can we run a traffic driving record from Mr. Bayless?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Bayless, sir, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. Once I get the email, I'm gonna check the documents and we'll continue. Let me give you my email address. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
It's just judgelarrywilliams@gmail.com.
Can you spell your name, Larry?
Sure. LARRYWILLIAMS. Judge JUDGE.
And what is it? Dot. What is the
Dot Gmail at gmail.com.
Okay. So Judge Larry Williams at gmail.com.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. And we'll be back with you in a moment. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Judge, did you see that other case that he had planned to already? It's a balance 342. It was originally 240. He's supposed to make a payment in April. The final payment review was July or.
Let me look it up now.
Okay. So I think he's suspended for us.
Yeah, that's probably why it's suspended.
I just sent the driving record to.
Appreciate it. Oh, it shouldn't be suspended because of this. It didn't look like it went to warrant status.
Yeah, it's in suspension though, Judge, because all the late fees. He didn't pay it when he was originally he was supposed to pay in April, but because the court was closed, it was rescheduled to May 13th, then again on July 1st, and it still hadn't been paid after we had been back to work or court had been, open for payments or whatever. So it did go into suspension on August 24th of last year.
Okay. Okay, I see it here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know who this is. I'm just getting the name.
Okay.
How you doing, ma'am?
Still connecting, Judge.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi. How are you?
I'm doing well, ma'am. Could you tell me your name?
Tanisha Beasley.
Thank you, Ms. Beasley. Man, we got a couple other folks that are ahead of you right now, but I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room. We just wanted to make sure so we can pull your files, okay?
Okay.
We'll be with you in a moment.
Okay.
Yeah, she's from this morning. She was supposed to make some payments.
Oh, okay. That's easy enough.
Yep.
I'll bring her back then.
Yep, it was 2 civil infractions for blocking traffic.
How you doing, Ms. Beasley?
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. You jumped the line because it looks like we can take care of yours pretty soon. Ma'am, you had some civil infractions that you haven't paid yet?
Yeah. And you told me if I wasn't able to pay it to give you a call back because I'm currently off work
Okay,
on medical.
I'll give you another 2 months. If you don't have it paid by then, just zoom back in, okay?
Okay, Judge, I had got another ticket the other day. I'm just gonna be honest with you.
1 second. What'd you get the ticket for?
No proof of insurance. He didn't pull me over. He just got behind me and ran my plate. I supposed to have transferred my plate over. I was buying a car from somebody and I have an appointment in April.
How you spell your first name?
TANISHA.
T-A-N. Okay, it's not up yet. The ticket's not in the system yet. So my guess is, when you get word of it, zoom back in and I'll adjourn it to after April to give you a chance to get your insurance.
Okay.
So I'm gonna,
You saying when I get the ticket in the mail?
yes,
Okay.
1 second.
Judge, I'm sorry, depending on if it's a civil infraction or a misdemeanor, if it's a civil infraction, she will have to contact the court to set up a court date, but if it's a misdemeanor, then she'll be automatically notified, and I don't know which one it is, so.
If it's a civil infraction, you will have to call in. But you said no proof of insurance?
Yes. No proof of insurance and the plate was expired or something.
An expired plate or improper plate?
Improper plate, I think.
Oh, well then you might just get a date from us. But let's see, I'm gonna set a review first for the civil infraction that you already pled on to May 11th, 2000, strike that, to April 13th, 2021.
Okay.
And if you find out word that you got a court date, give us a heads up and we'll put that one on that date too.
Okay. So just come back to call you back to your courtroom or?
Yeah, April 13th.
Okay.
In the morning.
In the morning, 8:30.
Oh, okay.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'm gonna bring in Mr. Bayless.
Okay.
Mr. Bayless,
Yes.
how you doing, sir? We had a chance to run your driver's record, sir. It looks like you did have a suspension, and it's kind of based on a ticket that you were supposed to pay back beginning of this year.
Yes. I was set on a payment plan, but it had just happened like 2 weeks later.
Before the pandemic.
The pandemic had happened. Yeah. And I had lost my job and everything due to it getting suspended.
Are you still out of work?
Yes. I won't be able to go back until my license is unsuspended.
You get the same job?
You said, do I have the same job?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, you said you got valid plates now. You said that?
Yes, I had the plate when the officer pulled me over. I had just got it that day through the mail, and I guess he wasn't really accepting me not putting it on when I first got it. So I'm guessing that's why.
I'm still. Did you send the proof of the plate yet?
Yeah, I sent you my ID and the registration.
Okay. Sometimes it takes a while for it to show up. No, not yet.
Let's see. Yeah, say it's sent.
Yeah, like I said, sometimes it's just slow on my end.
Okay.
Let me check it again. Okay, here it is. It's up now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, one second here.
Alrighty.
That's the case 194325556, count 2. I'm gonna waive the fines and cost in this matter.
Okay.
Thank
you.
And waive the reinstatement fee. As to case 20719-796, counts 1 and 2, they're gonna be dismissed through the valid documentation.
Okay, thank you so much.
So Mr. Bayless, sir, this should reinstate your license. And we'll take it from there. Give us a call back next week if that's not the case.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. Well, have a good one. Good luck.
You as well.
Bye.
Bye.
I got one more, Thurman Bailey. Hi, Mr. Bailey, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, let me call your cases. This is State of Michigan versus Thurman Bailey. This is case SP 1119938, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Bailey, sir, you're charged with 1 count of driving without registration, 1 count of improper plates, and 1 count of no insurance. Sir, these are all misdemeanors with maximum penalties of up to 93 days in jail or a $500 fine. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf for all 3 cases. Mr. Bailey, sir, do you want to try to resolve these today, or do you want to set them for the trial or test the tickets?
What? I can do this now.
Okay, sir, do you have registration or insurance yet?
Yes, I do.
You gotta show it.
Can you see it?
No.
Well, I'm not good at this. My daughter's showing me what's happening here.
Move it down just a little bit.
Let it down to you, sir.
Okay, and move it to your left just a little bit.
Can you still see it, or?
Yeah, I can. 1 second. Expiration date 5/25. A little bit closer. 21. Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
And do you have registration for that vehicle yet?
No, because I can't get in there. I made an appointment for
Secretary of State?
yeah, but I can't. It gave me an appointment when April
April 28th.
April the 28th. So I can't get in there.
One second here. All right, sir, I'm gonna dismiss these matters due to your valid compliance. Sir, take care of and get your registration as soon as possible. I know that these dates take a long time to get towards.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Chief.
Mhm.
And you know the Chief, there you go. You know me.
Yes, I do.
He's still looking at the way.
All right, that's it.
All righty. See you in the morning.
See you in the
All
morning.
right.
Time to do all my stuff.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Have a good day.
Too.